Hi guys, for today's vlog, I will be unboxing some new stuff. First off, what we got here is my new phone. It's a Huawei Y6 phone. It came with an extra headset and of course the case. Also an original case, so that's a plus. So let's go ahead and see what's inside this box. Alright, let me just take out this tape. So this is how it looks like outside. Alright, so here we go. Let's just take out the seal. As you can see, it's brand new, so it's really hard to take out the seal, by the way. So hoping for your patience. And by the way, I'm vlogging using my phone here, so you might see my face on some angles. It will probably reflect on the phone. And excuse my face, please.
No!
There you go. I was able to open it. First up, of course, is the device. It's a 5.7 inches phone. It's just perfect. It's just the size of my Samsung Galaxy 8. It's very thin, and I think the size is just perfect. Not too big, not too small. And on the box, first off that you will see is of course the SIM eject pin. I'll take that out later. Let's just see what's inside and what's in the box. Probably gonna see the accessories, of course. Not expecting too much on this phone, but hope it's really good. There goes the manual, which we don't read. Well, personally, I don't read that stuff. I don't know. Not like born yesterday. I know how to use a phone. There's a warranty card as well, just in case the phone messes up within 1 year. You can use that. There goes the original headset. That one. Oh, by the way, that's the SIM eject pin. I can't take it out, so I'll just show you the headset. This headset is really loud. I can tell it's the original one. It's simple, typical headset. What more can you expect? Alright, here you go. Has a mic, of course. And there you go, the USB cable used for charging, transferring files, and of course the fast charging plug. Alright, I was trying to see if there's more inside, but that's all that I got. Pretty much what you need for a phone. So I'll turn on this phone now, and there you have my purple face. You can see my phone is facing the table. I'm so happy the lighting in this room is very bright. It's probably because it's 2 p.m. But I have to mute the video because there's tons of men at work. There you go. I just wanted to see how it looks like, and just a typical logo. Or the brand, of course. I don't know how to read that. Is it Huawei? Correct me if I'm wrong, just please comment down below. And as you know, if the phone is brand new, it will take a million years to boot up, so bear with us. And after a million years, there you go. I really hate this part, but we really have to do it. But as you can see, I'll just skip all of it. I'll do that later. And I was able to get out that SIM eject pin finally. Let me just connect to the Wi-Fi. It's really tight. I won't be able to get that out. But later on in this video, you'll see the tray for the SIM and of course the memory card. got connected. Oh, not yet. Let me enter the password. There you go. Fast. I have to create a new Google account for this one. I'm intending to give this away to my mom. She really wanted to find the big screen, so my phone's still fine, so I don't mind. And of course, that will take a million years again. I just want you to see how it looks like. What are the apps that came with it? As expected, this is a Google phone, so you'll see a lot of Google apps. There's a lot of apps came with this phone, which I really don't like. I don't think I'll use them, but of course Facebook, and I'm shocked Netflix is already installed, so that's a plus. Netflix is live. Yeah, I really don't know what to do on that part. I was just checking how the command buttons work. Yeah, a lot of skipping. On this part, I'll try the camera. It has 13 megapixels camera at the back and 5 megapixels on the front cam, and it's really good. See how it's really clear, really clear. What's a good thing about this, it has a front cam flash. Was trying it in the dark and I was shook. There's a flash in it. There's a light actually. It's like a built-in light. It's not really flashing, but here we go. I was able to get out SIM card tray. It's a dual SIM, so you can use 2 SIM cards at a time. Different networks for sure. And of course you can also expand the memory. It's only 16 gigabytes, so probably you're gonna have to use a lot more than that. There you go. That's the back cam. It looks like an iPhone, right? Well, it is for me. Color doesn't. I'll just put the case. It's a clear case, so the color is still visible. It's perfect. I mean, it's for free. Never had a phone with a free case. Always have to buy. At least now it's protected. Enough of that, I got a new watch from Daniel Wellington. It's my second watch from them, and I really liked it. Just bought one last 4 months ago, and it's still good. So as you can see, the box is really elegant. It's very safe. It's inside a cushion. There you go. I really like the design. It's gold plated on the frame, and it has a metal strap. I got the leather one on the first watch I got, and I think the leather will worn out after like a year. I really don't like a worn out leather. I mean the worn out leather look. So it's just 36mm. I was looking for 40mm though. It's not available. That one is fine. Never got a small one though. Here you will see the owner guides. It's a guide how you assemble and disassemble basically the watch. Pretty much it's easy because it came with a little tool to remove the lock and remove the strap itself. There's tons of selection of straps for Daniel Wellington watches, and probably gonna get 2 or more. There you go, that little tool that I'm talking about. That one is really helpful. Very easy to use. Very easy to disassemble. Yeah, that's how it looks like. while I'm wearing it, still has a plastic on, but I'll remove that later and you will see it on the next pic. So here we go on our last item. I got this World Balance flexible rubber shoes. I just really want a black shoes, but they don't have all black one. I just love the detail at the back. They have the orange tag, and super comfy, really soft inside, and as what it was called, it's really flexible, so it's good for running. I really wanted to go back to running this year, so hopefully I can start doing it again. So as you can see, that's how flexible it is. It's cheap, roughly about less than 1,500